How to get Redotpay virtual or physical card promo code. Now in this video, I'll provide you one specific resources for you to be able to get an active promo code even if you're using a virtual or even a physical card on a Redotpay. First is access your preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Simply type in we thrift and then choose on the very first result so that you will be redirected into the website that I'm talking about. And once you're here, just go into search stores and then type in red dot pay. Click on the first one so that you will be provided with a lot of options. So as you can see, there are tons or multiple options you can use for you to use a promo code. Take note as well on this green highlighted message on when was that specific voucher or promo code being used. Click on copy code and then paste it if you're using a virtual card, and then have just a simple copy if you're using a physical card. And that is how you get Red Dot Pay, a virtual or physical card coupon code.